Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Hyundai Tucson. Give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, power liftgate, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power driver seat, alarm, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.